44.
So this is the penultimate event of the day. No, the first.
Swanage Carnival first fireworks display 2025.
And I will say, it's my last day tomorrow, but all I can say is I've enjoyed it so far.
Thank you, Nathan. Thanks for the appreciation. It doesn't matter now because they're about to begin the countdown.
Here we go then.
Yeah! 10, 9. Yes!
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my! So, welcome to the first carnival display of the Swanage Carnival fireworks.
What can I tell you? It's amazing. It is really
My God! Whoa!
Impressive.
wow! Just so you guys know that we're
Yes! Alright, trying to keep your noise down, Nathan. Alright, okay. Alright. So, what are we going to see this weekend at Swanage Carnival?
Well, we're going to be seeing a lot of fun things, especially tune in for Wednesday. Remix songs are going to be happening.
Yes!
Especially tune in tomorrow for the coronation.
No, the procession, you mean?
Yeah.
So, yes.
Don't worry, mate.
I'm going to be there to watch every step of the way and I'm going to film it.
I honestly don't know.
I'm singing.
Yeah, I'm doing the special remix slot.
Same with me.
Oh, wow. Wow! Wow! Woo! Oh, there's one! Wow! Wow! Wow!
Always impressive as normal.
Yes! Wait until the whistling ones, Nathan. Huh? Yeah, it's a bit like that. Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo!
Hell yeah!
I know.
I'm not too sure though.
I know.
They've got several
Oh wow! Oh my lord! Just wait until you see the big finale. There's like a lot of fireworks shells. Oh! Oh wow! Oh, the waterfalls.
The Whistlers.
The whistlers. They're called yeah.
I like that.
I think they might be on for. I don't know if I think they're on for a bit later.
Yeah. It's like nearly to the end. Wow! Woohoo! Wow! Man! Wow! Woo! Wow! Oh! It's not over yet! Wow! Woo! Nope, it's not over yet.
I was going to say, I haven't done whistles yet.
No, here comes the next bit. These are the crackling ones. These are the crackling fireworks. Oh, here's one. Oh, you're definitely right there, Luke. Ow. Wow, look at that. Wow. Oh, that is impressive. Wow. Oh, look, watch this now. Whoa. Look at the spinnies. I love the spinnies. Hey, guys.
Hey guys.
All right. Woo. Oh, watch this. Whoa, look at that. Woo. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow! Wow! Whoa! Ooh! Yep. Looks like they improved it. Bang! We've had these fireworks since a pretty long time. So the fireworks are just giving a proper send-off to the start of the Swanage Carnival. Am I right, Luke?
Yeah, they are, yeah.
And then
Whoa! Woo!
mate, I love these ones.
Woo! Oh, watch this. Oh! Yeah! Woo!
I love these ones.
Yes, the whistlers! Get ready for the grand finale, Nathan! Things are about to get intense! Hey! Woo! Just keep it down a bit. Wow! Woo! Never heard those ones before! Hey! Oh my gosh! Hey! Woo! Oh, the final ones? What are the final ones? Hey! Woo! Oh, is that it? Oh, when's the big finale?
It's going to be happening soon, don't worry.
It's coming. It's coming.
It's coming.
Coming.
Woo! Oh, here it comes. Oh, oh.
Mate, it's coming out 900.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Normally with these rollers, normally a lot.
Hey! Wow! Woohoo! My goodness! Woohoo! Wow! Wow! These ones are pretty loud. Me too. And the last one. Hooray! And that is it. So what do we say to the Swanage Carnival boys?
Thank you!
That's it!
Let it begin, guys. Let it begin. So we shall see for the next Swanage Carnival fireworks this Wednesday, the 30th of July.
Yes.
See you there. And that is it. The fireworks are over.
Definitely.